All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk testing methodology. Now, this is going to be kind of a boring video for a lot of people, but I want to just do a Gamer's Nexus style video where I talk about how I test tools. The thing about tools is you have to use them. I've gotten crap in the comments because I don't do repair videos. I don't have time. I'm flat rate. I don't have time to sit here and do a bunch of repair videos, set up cameras, move cameras, get the perfect shot, make sure I'm getting the shot. I need to get my job done. Customers need their cars back. I'm not putting them out or putting the shop, making them get a rental car because I didn't get the perfect shot for repair. So anyway, that said, when it comes to testing tools, you have to fully commit. What I mean by that is when I get a tool in for review, whether I buy it, whether it's sent to me, doesn't matter. I use that tool exclusively if it works for that job. Meaning these, I got these in for testing. I'm using them on every car that I take wheels off of. Every car. So when it comes down to it, I'm going to be able to give an honest review. Just like the new Milwaukee ball peen hammer. And I'll show you, it'll focus. See that skirt mark? That's where I missed a rotor. That's the kind of testing I do. It wasn't intentional, but the point of it is I fully commit to these. I needed a hammer to get a rotor off. It was rusty and stuck. I grabbed the Milwaukee, not my snap-ons, not my brass hammers. It's getting replaced anyway, so I hit it with this. My point of that is when it comes to testing tools, I give them every bit of testing I can. And if I feel I haven't had enough time with a tool, I don't do a review video on it until I feel I have tested sufficiently. You know, whether it's a scan tool like this, the X tool, I grab that tool first and foremost to make sure I'm giving it as many chances to show itself. What I mean by that is, you know, when I hook up this tool to a car, does it do this? Oh, it doesn't do that. Today, I used the launch, the X tool, to try to set a oil light on a Infiniti rebadged Mercedes, rebadged Renault, whatever the heck it is. Well, none of them worked. The dash things didn't want to work. You know, it was one of those where everything had to be perfect for the stupid thing to come up, and I finally was able to reset it. But it was extremely pain in the butt. But what I mean by that is I took those tools and tested them. They failed because I guess it's not supported at all for scan tool reset in this day and age. Makes me thankful for the GM turn the key on, pump the pedal 3 times to reset an oil light, or Toyota with the, you know, odometer. Anyway, I digress. Jay's 2 cents reference. But anyway, so I just wanted to explain how I test things. I put them daily through the ringer until I feel like I've got a good assessment of that tool, and then I do a review video. If I don't feel like I've done enough with the tool, you know, wheel bearing press, haven't done a wheel bearing, I can't do a video on it because I haven't used it, that kind of stuff, I don't do a video on it. You know, I don't have sponsors going, you know, if you got to do a video on this right now, just whenever I can. So, hope you found this video at least informative. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.